all that thunderstorm activity sitting into the open waters. Charleston, though, we do have some pretty heavy rain that's beginning to move in, and we are going to be watching this area closely. We do have to watch for the potential of water spouts. It looks like that special marine warning has been expired, but we do have these thunderstorms which have weakened offshore. Not as much lightning popping up here, just some steady rain, but we have had some significant rain in the last couple of hours. Take a look at these storm reports. In Forest Beach, this is near Hilton Head Island, or on Hilton Head Island, I should say. Weather reporter in just about an hour and a half span picked up over 3 inches of rain. And so flooding was an issue that we saw in Charleston yesterday. Early this morning, heads up if we are heading out on James Island into downtown Charleston, King Street. You might come across some standing water with these showers and thunderstorms rolling in. Live look outside at Charleston right now. We have the raindrops on the camera, cloudy skies. Temperatures are in the 70s. We do have that light rain moving through. And then we take a look at Beaufort, South Carolina, where a lot of that activity is offshore. Cloudy skies, though, to get you out the door. Make sure that you are keeping the umbrella close by. And then we'll continue to monitor the showers and thunderstorms along our cold front marching eastward in the Midwest. Jason.
Well, Jay, now it's time for the Fox Weather Lightning Round. And first up, this is one that we call a 4-for-1 deal. And this is because of different things that are happening in this picture from Eli over in Tennessee. So first up, we want to tell you about cloud iridescence. You can see it right there. It is that bright pearl colored streak there on the right. It's caused by diffraction of light through the cloud particles. Then you have what we call crepuscular rays, which form when the sun bursts through the gaps of clouds there on the lower right. And finally, you got the thunderstorm itself and its shadow above it for good measure. And that's a whole lot of interesting stuff there. Thanks so much, Eli, for that photo. Next up, check out this stunning roll cloud ahead of some storms over in Bloomdale, Ohio there. This is something that we used to see in Cleveland around this time of year when I used to live out there. Now, these roll clouds form as a result of some cool air rushing out ahead of the storm. The clouds seem to roll back away from them as the storm approaches. It's pretty rare to see, but heads up, because usually whenever you see this, that means some big old thunderstorms are going to be heading your way. And finally, this storm chaser got themselves a little too close there for comfort. This was a large haboob over in Tahoka, Texas. That is just south of Lubbock. How would you like to see that in your rearview mirror? Now, the haboob or dust storm is formed ahead of a line of thunderstorms, and sometimes it has winds upwards of 55 miles per hour, according to the National Weather Service. It also impacts visibility as well. Well, that's been your Fox Weather Lightning Round, and one thing that's affecting visibility is over in the Atlanta area this morning. We got some fog there. As a result, it is impacting visibility, and it will likely dissipate sometime between 8 and 9 o'clock there. So just be careful as you head out and about there to work. Here's your forecast across America.
Hi there, I'm meteorologist